Welcome, people. It's almost midnight in Jamaica. We're up and live because we just finished watching the heats for the 100 meters. And man, it did exciting. If you miss it, oh boy, you missed something because trust me, it was probably the best heats in Olympic history for women. Now, of course, we're going to share the updates. A lot of things went on tonight: the high jump, the 400 meter, the 800 meter. But Janu tired, so I'm just going to share the thing that you came here for, which is the results for the 100 meter. Now we have Elaine. Actually, she dominated her heat by completing it in 10.82 seconds. That's 10.82 seconds. Now that's pretty good for a heat, right? Now up next we have Shelly-ann Fraser. She actually completed her heat, and like Elaine, she won. Shelly-ann Fraser won in my bad, 10.84 seconds. That's 10.84 seconds. And finally, Shericka Jackson, she came second in her heat, and her time was pretty close to first place. 10.7 was her time, and first place got 10.6. So basically, they were cruising. I didn't see they put a lot of effort into qualifying for the semi. It was like they were jogging at one point and they looked very ready for the Olympics. Elaine did her thing. Shelly is the queen of the track, and Shericka Jackson is just doing her best out there. So quickly, Natoya, actually, she did really well in her 800 meter. She came first. Ah boy, if me to get that right, sleep dip on me. So tomorrow I'll share the rest of the updates. I hope we were able to keep you informed because we know that many people are looking forward to this highly anticipated 100-meter heat, which is only the beginning for this great track event. So tomorrow we'll share more. Subscribe, share, check out our store. Have a great night, a great morning, and remember to stay upful. And we are wishing you many blessings, love, and respect. All right? Good night.